Modern router tables with fully adjustable fences make edge-forming cuts a simple task. The tricky part comes when you want to shape the end of a piece of stock. Unless the stock is wide enough to have a solid reference surface on the outfeed fence before it leaves the infeed fence, you've got a problem. Take control of those tricky end grain cuts with Woodpeckers' new Iron-Grip Coping Sled. Woodpeckers' new Iron-Grip Coping Sled takes all the great features of our long popular original coping sled and kicks it up a notch. The base is a 1/4 inch thick plate of cast and ground tool plate aluminum. The clamp that secures your work down to the table provides 2 points of contact with only one adjusting screw. The stainless spring steel clamping pad provides even, secure pressure and goes from an iron grip to released in just one full revolution of the large knob. The part that makes the Iron-Grip Coping Sled your best choice is the part that's not there. There's no miter bar. Instead of struggling to get the fence perfectly parallel with the miter track, all you do is get the fence set to the router bit, then set the coping sled parallel to the fence and 3/4 of an inch away by using a spacer block. Then set the fence guide to the fence. The fence guide is a full 3/8 of an inch thick and 15.5 inches long. It works with Woodpecker's Super Fence and every other brand of router fence out there. It even works with homemade fences. The back fence of the Iron-Grip protects your work with a sacrificial backer. Your Iron-Grip will come with 3. You can make new ones from scrap material, or we sell them in convenient 3-packs. To cut a perfect fitting cope joint, just align your sacrificial fence and your stock to the router fence. Bring the top plate tight against your stock to stop rotation, and bring the Iron-Grip clamp down and secure it. Now make the cut. It's that simple. Safe, fast, accurate, and repeatable. The Iron-Grip Coping Sled is your best choice. Order yours today.